Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Jaguar XF. First of all, we go to settings, then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here, you've got telephone just there, second one up on the right. Click on telephone, no phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Search for Bluetooth devices, yes. That's looking for my phone or it's looking for a phone. It's brought up Jaguar XF. Click on Jaguar XF. It's thinking about it. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro there. Click on that. Pairing. That was too quick for me to read, but basically it says, do these numbers match? Bluetooth pairing request 004956 pair and 004956. Does this passkey match? Yes. Allow. Jaguar XF connected. That's it done.